Hello everybody. Analytical service in System.GURU.Markets. Thank you very much for watching our video review. Dear viewer, we kindly ask you to give this video your thumbs up. Your like is essential for the development of the project Guru.Markets. Now we will look at the main indicators of the company Gilead Sciences, Inc., GILD, ticker GILD. This review is based on current data as of June 21, 2024. By classification Guru.Markets company Gilead Sciences, Inc., GILD, belongs to the subcategory Pharma virus. 22 organizations participate in the analysis, which is quite representative. Let's start with summary data for the company. If you want, you can pause the video. You can look at all the company's indicators in detail. Access to the table with the structure of company tickers is free. We kindly ask you to distribute the company's analysis on your social networks. Thank you for your repost and various other support. It all helps the project a lot. So we're finally starting. Market capitalization of the company Gilead Sciences, Inc. is $85.33 billion. Market capitalization of the subcategory is $94 billion. Gilead Sciences, Inc. accounts for a share of 91.194% and is the main leader of the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is estimated at $17.44 billion. With a balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory of $22 billion. Gilead Sciences, Inc., GILD, accounts for a share of 79.42%. Having compared the shares of market and balance capitalization, we will see the following. Share Gilead Sciences, Inc. in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 91.194%. The balance sheet capitalization is 79.42%. Which is 13% less than the share of market value. Assessment of the company's share of market and book value in the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. Overall company rating Gilead Sciences, Inc., GILD, will be presented at the very end of the video. Please watch the analysis to the end. The analyzed organization's debt obligations amount to $25.119 billion. Financial liabilities to book value represent 144% of the company's equity. Result on the company's debt level. Bad, -1 point. The balance of the company's stock market value to its profit corresponds to 190.9. With an average of 0 for the subcategory, this is significantly better than in the subcategory. Assessment of the indicators of the stock exchange value to its profit in comparison within the subcategory. Very good, 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $484 million. Projected earnings for the next 12 months are tentatively expected to be $944 million. 95% more than currently. An assessment of the projected future profit indicator in comparison within the subcategory. Good, 1 point. The company's price-to-revenue ratio is 3.1. The average for the subcategory is 3.1 and this is 0% higher than the average for the subcategory. Assessment of the market price-to-revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $27,420 million. Projected revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $53,460 million. And this is 95% more than at the current moment. An assessment of expected future revenues in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. If you are interested in this analytics, in this case, we kindly ask you to subscribe to our analytics and click on the bell. Thank you so much for your subscription. The sales margin is 1.8%, with the average in the subcategory minus 8.1%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 9.9%. Assessment of sales profitability in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of employees in the subcategory is 75.503%, which is 21% less than the share of market capitalization. This reflects the discrepancy between the organization's stock market value Gilead Sciences, Inc., rather towards revaluation. The amount of market capital per employee of the organization is equal to $4,740,000. Whereas for the subcategory $3,925,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 20.8%. Estimation of the amount of company capital per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. The amount of profit per individual employee of the company is $26,900. With the average for the subcategory minus $101,900. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is $129,000. Estimation of profit per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The share of sales per employee of the organization is $1,523,000. In the subcategory $1,260,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 21%. Estimation of sales per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. Shares for sale account for 2%, with a subcategory average of 6.5%. This is an assessment of a possible short squeeze. Technical indicator RSI, 14, shows a level of 62% for the company Gilead Sciences, Inc., GILD. For the subcategory, this level is 44%. On average, subcategory securities are valued lower than the company's Gilead Sciences, Inc., GILD. Comparing the movement of a company's stock price Gilead Sciences, Inc. and subcategory companies. We see that over the past 12 months the company's shares Gilead Sciences, Inc., GILD, showed a change of minus 11.9%. Against price changes in the subcategory minus 16.6%. This doesn't say anything unambiguously, but we must keep this fact in mind. Before announcing the total score, we kindly ask. Make your assessment Gilead Sciences, Inc. in the comments to this security assessment. The result is 4 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is minus 2.7 points. If you look broadly, within the US market in aggregate, we can see that the average result for the market in total is 0.4 points. Against the company's 4-point rating Gilead Sciences, Inc., GILD. Let's look at the table of orders. It is available to you. A link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions made by the reference evaluation system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in pinned comment. Based on stock valuation Gilead Sciences, Inc. Information and reference system for stock valuation GURU.Markets. A decision is made. Do not open a deal due to Gilead Sciences, Inc. Not the most undervalued company in the subcategory. Thank you all very much for watching this video and for using the information system GURU.Markets. You truly are the most excellent audience on the planet.